Hi students, welcome to 3rd standard science class video session lesson 2 animals. In today's session we are going to learn about uses and care of animals. In previous sessions we learned about the uses of animals in 4 subheading. First we recall them. Next we are going to learn about food giving animals. We get milk from cow, buffalo, and goat. Children, you all know that milk is a complete food. Why? Because it will contain all nutrients this is necessary for our body. So, the animal hen which will give us egg. So, where we get flesh, the flesh it is eaten by the non-vegetarian. So, the animals like goat, hen, fish, they are all give us flesh. Children, which gives us egg? The hen gives us egg. Which animal gives us milk? Goat, cows, and buffaloes. So, which animal gives us flesh? Animals like fish, goat, and hen, they give us flesh. So, children, some animals like cow, buffalo, and goat give us milk, which is used to make cheese, butter, and ghee. Hen gives us egg and meat. These food items keeps us healthy and strong. Some people eat the flesh of animals like fish, hens, and goats, and they are called non-vegetarians. Few other people which do not eat the meat are called vegetarians. Next, we are going to learn animals as means of transport. Children, you know what are the animals carry loads? Yes, animals such as elephant, donkey, bullock, and horse carry the loads. Would it be possible for us to carry a heavy log of wood? No, but an elephant can do this easily. Elephant, donkey, and bullock are used to carry heavy loads from one place to another. That is why they are also called beasts of burden. However, we should take care that we do not overload these animals. Animals driven carts are slow, but they do not cause any air pollution. Next, we recall animals that give other products. We get wool from sheep. Wool is used to make woolen clothes. We get silk from silkworm. Silk is used for making silk clothes. We get honey and beeswax from the honeybees. Honey is used as a food, as a sweetener, and also a medicine. The skin of horse, buffalo, camel, and cow is used to make leather after they die. Leather is used for making shoes, belts, bags, jackets, etc. Next, we are going to learn about animals for guarding and companionship. Children, do you like to have a pet in your house? Yes, many of them like to have pet in their house. People keep dogs, cats, parrot, etc. as pets in their homes because they make good friends and give us joy. A dog is a faithful animal. Therefore, dogs have been used by men for guarding their flocks and homes since a very long time. Many lonely and physically challenged people keep dogs as their companions and to help them in their daily task. Dogs are also trained to smell and search for thieves, bombs, and other things. Now, let us learn about the other uses of animals in our life. First, we are going to learn about farming. What is farming? Farming, which means growing crops or keeping animals by people for food and raw material. Farming is a part of agriculture. That's why we call a person those who cultivate plant in the field are called farmers. Now let us learn some terms which involved in agriculture. What is a field? Which means the agricultural land. What is meant by ploughing? Ploughing is the process of breaking, loosening the soil and turning it over for uprooting weeds. Weeds means unwanted plants and aerating the soil. Ploughing loosens the soil so that roots of the crops can penetrate, which means it will go very easily into the soil. It brings the nutrients to the surface, thus makes the soil fertile. Fertile means capable of producing more crops. For in villages, the ox is the great use of the farmers. Oxen are used for ploughing fields and drawing water from the wells. They are also used for taking out oil from oil seeds. For example, mustard oil, it is taken from the mustard seeds. The dung or gobar, which means the animal waste such as cows and buffaloes, is used as a manure in the field. The cow dung cake are dried in the sun and are used as a fuel. Do you know, children, earthworm is known as the friend of the farmer. Why? Because it loosens the soil while eating it. Thus, loosening of soil helps the plant to breathe and grow better. Now we are going to learn about how the animals are used in sports. Have you ever enjoyed a ride on horse, camel or elephant? Have you watched animal racing? Beside riding and races, horses are also used for playing a game called polo. What is the game name? Polo. Elephants were earlier used for hunting. However, hunting of wild animals has been banned, and nowadays as they are endangered and become extinct. Extinct means do not exist. It means not even one of these animals would be left alive on earth. Imagine if your grandchildren could not even see how an elephant, a giraffe or a tiger looks like. Next we are going to learn about how we take care of animals. Animals help us in many ways in our daily life. We must take good care of our animals. We should give them enough rest and food to eat. If they fall sick, we must take them to a veterinary doctor. The animal's doctor, how do we call? Veterinary doctor. We should not be cruel towards animals or trouble them unnecessarily. So you should be kind towards animals. Thank you, students. I hope you all understood this class clearly. Have a nice day.